Hi guys, this is Steffanie. Welcome to Steffanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And those of you returning, welcome back. Today, I am just walking through my to-do list from last week of all the chores I had for my garden. And just looking back on the importance of having a list when you have a bunch of chores to make sure that you get them all done in the garden, and which I did. So we'll walk through that. And yeah, hope you enjoy it. My to-do list for this weekend: harvest my peppers, pull my tomatoes out the ground, add soil and compost to my tomato beds, overwinter my peppers, make sure I put labels in them, plant my seed garlic, transplant onion starts, go to Tractor Supply for greenhouses. They are $27. I ordered it online, so I'm waiting for them to tell me to come pick it up. So do that if you need one. Go to the nursery for more plants. That's a maybe. I don't know if I'm buying anything else, but I'm considering it. Depends on what it looks like once I clean my garden beds. Harvest my sweet potatoes. I think I'm only going to do one and leave the other one, but I might do both. And then harvest all of my squash because it's supposed to get cold for Thanksgiving. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. Tractor Supply. Yeah. Need to assemble it, so you will see a video of me assembling it later. It has 8 shelves. Says it's heavy duty roll up flap, which you can see, and it is 4 feet by 2 feet by 6 or 4 feet, so almost 5 feet. So yeah, right nice size. So we'll put this together after a while, and we'll let you see what it looks like. Swept up that dirt. So, oh look, what is it? You got 7.56 pounds of sweet potatoes. Not bad. Not bad at all. I finally finished up doing my squash and zucchini. Before the frost, so I pulled them all off. So this is what I got. Alright, I transplanted my onion starts. Oops, I ain't got the pen open. Transplanted my onion starts, and I also added soil and compost to the tomato bed. So we're gonna cross that off. We're not gonna do that. And I'm not gonna do that just yet. So only thing I got left is to plant my sea garlic. So it's about to get dark, so I don't have time to do that. So I will do that tomorrow on Monday on my lunch break. So we'll come along for that. All right, that is it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the description box below, and I'll be glad to answer them. And yeah, happy holidays to everyone. I am doing a video every single day up until Christmas for it's not really vlogmas because it's not a vlog, it's just a video. So but it's out there, so, and a short, so check them out. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye. Merry Christmas.